He's a researcher. Yeah, we can see we can read his articles, many articles. Yeah, in Sinta and other international journals. He also a reviewer and a translator, yeah, reviewer of national journals and also international journals. He graduated from Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta, ya. Jadi banyak prestasinya ya, Mr. Nanda. And okay, doesn't take any longer. Please welcome our second keynote speaker, Mr. Nanda Pambudi. Mr. Nanda Pambudi, time is yours.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Said, for the time. Yes. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Pambudi. I'm graduated from Yogyakarta State University in Yogyakarta in 2023, and right now still teach in vocational high school and also some of the reviewer and also editor in some journals. But yeah, hopefully I can go to be a lecturer and get a doctoral degree soon. Okay, thank you so much for the time, all the participant and all the speaker or presenter and also the moderator and the master of ceremony for the time that give it to me. So here I bring the title about the barriers in teaching English for specific purposes, a case from a private school in Indonesia. Okay, here the background. Okay, maybe I will mix Indonesian and English. The first one is teaching English for specific purposes is a challenging endeavor that requires effectively overcoming linguistic, cultural, and pedagogical obstacles. As we know, the ESP or English for specific purposes is teaching or learning English for the specific field. So this is a different with the general English because this is need more the specialized for the specific area based on the field of the study after they graduate from the school or from the college. So the English is very important for the student or the teacher to encourage or to combine some additional information of English or how to say it, a vocabulary or the material English specifically. And the second is English for specific purposes is a specialized area of language instruction, and also the native English teacher in Indonesia also struggle with limited training in effective ESP pedagogy. So the challenging in teaching English or teaching English for specific purposes is when the teacher cannot get the specific resources or get the related resources or textbook or handbook for the student and also for the teacher itself. So this is like the common problem or common barriers or common obstacle that will faced by the teacher and also the student. So this is till now, till this time, ESP still have the limited access, limited access, limited sources, limited material for the specific field of study. Next. Okay, for the research design, I use the qualitative design and I use the interview for the collect my data. And the participant is English teacher, especially for the ESP teachers. And this is for a private vocational high school. Okay, next. Okay, we are going to do result and discussion because ESP is for the teacher that the teacher need to teach the students. So the first challenges or the first barriers that the teacher face is about the first one. I use thematic analysis to write the theme each in the results. So the teacher perspective on teaching English for specific purposes. ESP is to provide English language instruction to students with a specific or professional or academic focus rather than on mastering grammar. The aim is to deliver English material relevant to their field of study or work. Okay, and the teacher too said it differs from the general English material. The primary objective of ESP is to establish a connection between the language lesson and specific situation. So based on the interview for the teacher 1 and the teacher 2 said ESP is really needed to deliver English material because it need a specific relevant field of study for the teacher or student more focused on one of the English material. And then this is different with English material in general because this is really need a specific situation, specific real time for the student after they graduate. Okay, next, Mas Abidin. It relates with Hans in 2015, support teaching English for specific purposes by comparing it to teaching general English. They assume that teaching ESP focus on instructional language usage within specific context. So Hans also support that ESP or English specific purposes really need or different from the general English. So the ESP need more specific context, specific material, and a specific lesson to teach the students. Okay, we are going to the first challenges. The first challenges or the first barriers that the teacher will face in the field in vocational high school especially requires suitable textbook and resources for instructing English for specific purposes. The teacher once said when I interview the teacher, students should be provided with English textbooks specifically tailored to their major to enhance their vocabulary in their field of study. Also, teachers too said, although downloadable textbooks are available online, specific fields still require us to develop our textbook. So, this is really limited access to teacher get some related book for the student. For example, I teach in vocational high school for airline staff. So I get some downloadable books from online website, but in fact the book is not relatable for the student because I should combine from another book from another material to be one material for the student. So this is really limited access, limited sources for me because the student they don't have the handbook for him for there, and then for the teacher they don't have about the handbooks for the guideline. So this is really limited suitable textbook and resources for instructing an ESP. Next, Mas Abidin. Okay, Fitria study 2022 2020 support the notion that ESP teacher have challenges related to the quality of textbook. Also, Ibrahim said that the dearth of ESP material is the primary factor impeding of the instruction of ESP. So, Fitria and Ibrahim say in the same meaning because the ESP teacher have challenges with the quality of textbook or with the material. So this is become the barrier, the space, the challenging for the teacher when they teach the student. They don't have the handbook to the as the core or primary book for the guideline. So this is really how to say it, main barriers that teacher or student face. Okay, Mas Abidin. Okay, the next barriers is teachers' experience in teaching English for specific purposes. So based on the teacher experience, The significant concern for educator is the requirement for instructional materials, while another barrier is the need for a vocabulary of students in their specific area of study. And then teacher too, also students are encouraged to understand the context of the language while confronting the challenge of practicing it. So based on the teacher experience, mostly the answer of the teacher is about the mastering of vocabulary by the student. Because when we teach ESP or English specific purposes, the student should be mastering with the new vocabulary related with the study or with their major. Because without mastering of vocabulary, the student cannot follow the material from the teacher. So this is as the based on the teacher experience during the teach the ESP lesson. Next. Okay, this is based on the NSC et al. 20 and 21 proposed that incorporating specific vocabulary into ESP instruction can enhance student familiarity with the subject matter. So if the student can mastering the vocabulary, so it's more easier for the teacher instruct the instruct the material to the student. So the student can familiarity with the new vocabulary related with their major. Also, Sukarni said validate that vocabulary is the primary determinant for the children in acquiring in ESP, so it can enhance student communication. So with based on the English or general English or English for specific purposes, is the student need mastery the vocabulary. So it will be help the student or also teacher when they get or they instruct the material. Okay, next, Mas Widin. Okay, optimizing teaching English for specific purposes to effective strategies teacher employ. Supply ESP books according to the student's demand, participate in ESP webinar or get ESP coaching. And the teachers should integrate many strategies into their instructional procedures based on the context, learner characteristic, and needs analysis. So for the optimizing teaching ESP through effective strategies especially for the government or for the school especially need get the workshop for the ESP teacher or coaching for the ESP teacher to get more many effective strategies for the teach the ESP in the school or in the specific major. So this is still limited for the teacher that so far I know the coaching or workshop for the ESP teacher is still limited. So many coaching or workshop is still for the vocational atau teacher atau guru kejuruan. So the ESP teacher is still have the space or barrier for the get the coaching or workshop, especially for ESP coaching. Next. Okay, based on Ahmad in 2014, ESP teacher can enhance their essential knowledge by receiving training that caters to the specific needs of their students. And Senat also said the issue with ESP teacher is need for more training, and how 2011 also teacher encountered the challenge of determining most effective approach for teaching English. So based on the three sources from Ahmad, Senat, and Ho still face same limited same barriers for the teacher. So the teacher need more training for their effective strategies in teaching. Next. Okay, for the conclusion here, we are in the last of the slide. The student can enhance their English proficiency to meet the requirement of their respective discipline, enabling them utilize English in their future job or professional setting. And also the difficulties encountered by the teacher in this research need for more English for specific purposes, resources, and appropriate textbook about the subject, and also limited range of vocabulary exhibited by student. So this is the still need limited for the sources for the teaching English for specific purposes, and also hopefully the teacher have the potential for need more training for pedagogical approach and create educational resource to the teacher to teach the English specific purposes in specialized domain or in specialized field of study. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for the attention, and I will give back to the Pak Said as the moderator. Thank you.